is Sean Hardery. I'm 38 years old. I came to Dr. Adam Check's office about a year ago. I was overweight, out of shape, had no energy level, and I was drinking like 3 or 4 monsters a day, trying to make it through the day at work, and found out after coming here that I had a thyroid issue and I was diabetic, and he put me on testosterone. Since I started being treated for the thyroid, the diabetes, and the testosterone, I've dropped like 25 pounds. I drink coffee in the morning, but I'm not falling asleep at lunchtime. I'm not drinking monsters throughout the day anymore or anything like that. I'm really not drinking a Monster Energy drink at all anymore. And other than that, everything's great. My sleep is great. I have no problem making it through the day and going to the gym after work. And sex life's great. Everything's great. I would highly recommend, for anybody to come in here, male or female.